Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome you guys on my YouTube channel. This is Sheikh Sadir and you are watching Sheikh Gulf Career. Today I have the detail of the company that is from Qatar. I have checked the detail of the company. If you have 2 or 3 year experience in relevant field, you can apply for this post. Before going ahead, those people who is new in my channel, please subscribe my channel and like my videos. I also update job notification in my Facebook page. You can like and follow my Facebook page. Without our wasting time, let's start our video. So let's go. Total current vacancy like business development manager, sales manager, sales executive, site engineer, site supervisors, foreman, sales executive engineer, QS draftman, QS estimation engineer, senior estimation engineer, HSC officer, accountant, male nurse, public relation officer. All these vacancies are listed in only one company, and that is Decotech Qatar WLL. Now I am going to show you a screen video. From this screen video, you can see how you have to send your CV directly to the company. Firstly, you have to Google, just type company name Decotech Qatar. This is the main website of this company, as you can see on your screen. Just click on the Decotech Qatar. Now we are in the interface of this company. As you can see, this is the logo of the company Decotech. All the information of this company is given here. You can see and read from here. This company has lots of clients like Gulf Steel Engineering, Amana, Midmac, Urban Trading and Contracting, Sino Hydro. All these are clients of this company. You can see from here. Now, if you want to know about this company of the services, this company has lot of services like civil construction services, IT services, supply services. You can read from here, you can see from here. Now this company has lots of project. This given is here like fire stopping, passive fire protection, concrete repair, crack injection. All these are given here. You can read from here. Now you have to click on the career page. Now we are in the career page. As you can see, career at the Decotech, vacancies, employment, fraud device. All this detail is given here. You can see. All these now Qatar office is given here. Barwa Communication Avenue. Mobile number is also available there. Email ID is also available here. Now you have to click on the new job opportunities. As you can see, I have already told you there are a lot of vacancies available on the company website like business development manager, sales manager, sales executive, site engineer, site supervisor, foreman, sales executive, QS draftman, QS estimation engineers, senior estimation engineer, HSC officer, male nurse and public relation officers. Email ID is given here. You have to send your CV on this email ID. You have to attach your experience certificate, passport and degree, and then you have to apply. I have given link of this company in description. You can click there and directly go to the company website. If you have any queries about my videos or companies, you can comments me. Allah Hafiz.